Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix not getting Shopify authentication code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with getting your authentication code here for Shopify, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first thing that you could try here is you want to make sure that you have a stable interconnection. Now sometimes having an unstable interconnection can actually affect the features that Shopify has, which in this case you might want to switch over to your mobile data or vice versa. You might want to switch over to your Wi-Fi if you're using mobile data. Now in this case, see if that solves the issue. Now another thing you might want to check here is going to be if your app is up to date. Now, if you visit Google Play Store here and start search for Shopify, and if you do see an up button here that says update, go ahead and click on it. Just update the app. Sometimes not updating the app can affect the feature itself. And again, sometimes like Google Play Store will not automatically update some apps. So visiting Google Play Store itself can solve a lot of issues. Now, another thing you might want to do here is you might want to clear the cache that you have right now for Shopify. Now, in this case, you want to look for Shopify here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, and click on clear data at the bottom right here, and click on clear cache, and click on OK. Now, from then on, you could go ahead and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan App. Thank you for watching.